Hello techies. Alright, so today we have our task here on the left pane. Let's see what our task is. You are an HP LaserJet printer was recently shared throughout your network. You need to connect to the new shared printer and prevent Windows from changing the default printer in this. Alright, so this task is basically settings related. So we go to settings, right click on your start menu, go to settings. Under settings is printer related, we go to Bluetooth and devices, and we have to add a printer. So let's click on add device. Let's go to printers and we click add device. So what printers are we adding? We're adding a HP printer. The only HP printer we have here is this. So we go ahead and we add the HP printer. But first of all, we'll turn this off so that Windows will not manage the printers anymore. Alright, so now that this is ready, we are going to go ahead and go into the printer. Alright, so we're going to set the printer as default. Okay, set to default. Is there anything else you need to do? This is HP LaserJet printer for Office 1 and the set to default. Remember, you have to turn off let Windows manage my default printer. You have to turn it off. That is part of the task here. In fact, that is the first task we have to carry out. So let's go ahead and check our answers and see what we have. Everything here seems correct. So if this video was helpful, remember to like and subscribe, share so that others can benefit also. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.